Hello friends, my name is Meeta Kanani and today I am going to share with you the story behind successful leaders of Oriflame. Majority of leaders and myself give credit to SRPO for the growth. Today we will talk about why we need to follow a system and how will this system help in making us successful. You become successful in Oriflame when your leaders, just like you, duplicate the system. Let's see how can we do this work. The best way to ensure duplication is to implement a system of work. We call it SRPO, Social, Sales and Recruitment Process in Oriflame. Why is system necessary? When a newcomer joins, he is full of excitement. For a newcomer, which activity to do first, where to focus, it's all very difficult to understand. And they always get confused in case there is no proper guidance. That's why guidelines and activities need to be organized and divided between teams is very important, so that all the team leaders can understand it and can also teach others. The good news is that you don't have to make your own new system. Oriflame has created a system for us, which is called SRPO. All the leaders who have adopted SRPO have proven this system to be successful by being successful themselves. It has been developed with the most successful Oriflame leaders and experts. According to the new trends in business, it always gets improved and also updated. You can also use it absolutely free. Come, let's see what are the benefits of SRPO to understand who does what and when to do, to learn the best methods and tools to grow and work with a systematic approach, to give clear guidelines to your newcomers on how to work, to pass on the duplicable system to all the recruits from the beginning itself, to work on the system in a smarter way, and so that the entire team can grow faster. Everything in your system should be duplicate. Activities like how to talk to people, how to recruit, catalog launch, business planning sessions, meetings, trainings, methods of tools like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, ad generation, reach out to people through social media, role and responsibilities, who should do what and what is whose responsibility, communication, teach newcomers about sharing, inviting and engaging, and the core team should pass on the right information to all the people. Always remember, when we think about a smart method, so it does not really matter how much it worked for you, but what matters is whether your team members can actually duplicate it. That's why the work which makes you successful, but if your team cannot even copy it, then that system is no use for your team. We will help you in duplicating the 3-level system. Level 1, one-on-one meeting. You invite guests for level 2 and level 3. This work should be done by all the team members every day. Level 2, 2 or 3 times a week, all directors and managers along with their core teams conduct events in small groups. Level 3, every week, directors, leaders along with their core teams conduct large events, catalog launch, meetings and trainings. Always remember, everyone reaches out to new people on daily basis, recruit new brand partners and onboard the new brand partners every day. SRPO is a platform for you to coach new brand partners from day one and become a role model for them from day one. From the very first day, you can bring the good habits and consistency in your teammates. From the very first day, you can establish and nurture the good habits and behaviors in your community. So, do you want to be successful in your business? Would you like to grow with speed in your life and in your business? So, do you want to fulfill all your dreams at right time in your life? Then, following a system is extremely important. And yes, the system should be duplicable. Your community should be able to follow it easily.